Higher surface temperatures are a common theme in urban areas as opposed to rural areas. This can happen for a number of reasons, but one of these reasons includes the concentrated release of heat from buildings, vehicles, and industry. This is known as the urban heat island effect. In the United States, this causes a daytime increase in temperatures of 0.9 degrees to 7.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and nighttime increase in temperatures of 1.8 degrees to 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit in urban areas. However, the eastern United States is even more vulnerable because they are more humid. It has been found that humid areas have larger temperature differences, as do cities with larger and denser populations. It is projected in high confidence that the urban heat island effect will increase in the future as the structure, spatial extent, and population density in these areas change and grow. These findings are based on simulated and satellite land surface measurements. The reason this occurs is because the buildings, vehicles, and other industry cause a change in albedo, the amount of light or radiation reflected by a surface, in this case heat radiation. The biggest uncertainties facing urban forcings or feedbacks to the climate are how urban settlements evolve, or how energy consumption and efficiencies and their interactions with land cover will change over time. Two possible solutions are to make different colored roofs and walls with better albedos like green, and plant trees or other plants to consume the higher CO2 concentrations.